Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you a easy recipe of cake. As you know, the Mother's Day is coming and you cannot go out to buy a cake because of lockdown. So let's get started. First, I will tell you the ingredients. First, you need a packet of oreo. Then you will need a full cup of milk. Then you need powdered sugar. And for decorating the cake, you will need Hershey's and wafers. The first step is to put a full packet of Oreos. Step 2 is to put a full cup of milk. Put 2 spoons of powdered sugar. Step 4 is to crush the biscuits and mix them together. After mixing this well, we will microwave this batter for at least 3 minutes. It is really hot, so we need to put it in the fridge for at least 5 minutes. After cooling down our cake and serving it in the plate, it's time to decorate our cake. The first step of decorating our cake is to decorate it with a Hershey's. Next, we will put some sugar. We will add some wafers by crushing it on the top of the cake. Okay, so our cake is done. So go, make it and enjoy it with your mothers by surprising her with this. Let me also surprise my mother. Mom.
Wow, Sarah. It's so yum and so spongy.